Hello, we are Group 13. We will talk about antigen processing. Let's get started. First, what is antigen processing? It is the process of a protein being cut into peptide fragments, and the peptides bind to MHC molecules. After antigen processing, the cell presents the peptides to T cell, which is called antigen presentation, cogentage. Second, what is an MHC class 1 and 2 molecule? MHC molecule is glycoproteins that display antigens to CD8 plus or CD4 plus T cells. There are two types in MHC molecule, class 1 and class 2. Class 1 is found on the surface of almost all cells except for red blood cells. Class 2 is found on the surface of APCs, antigen-presenting cells. What are APCs, antigen-presenting cells? They are cells that present antigens to T cells, for example, macrophages, dendritic cells, and B cells. Third, what is the difference of antigen processing between MHC class 1 and MHC class 2 pathway? First, I will talk about MHC class 1 pathway. First of all, bacteria invade, infect, and increase in the body. And then, proteins of the virus are cut into peptide fragments by UPS, the ubiquitin proteasome system. In UPS, ubiquitin binds to proteins of the virus. Then proteasome recognizes and cuts them into peptides. After that, peptides are transported to the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, via TAP, and peptides are trimmed to the proper size in the ER and bind to MHC class 1 molecules. Last, MHC class 1 molecules are transported to the cell surface using transport vesicles. And then MHC class 1 activates CD8 plus T cells. Second, I will talk about MHC class 2 pathway. First of all, proteins from viruses are taken into cells via endocytosis, phagocytosis, or autophagy by APCs. And endocytosed proteins are processed in enzymes. In acidic enzymes, proteins are broken down into peptides by activated proteases. Last, peptides bind to MHC class 2 molecules. Then, they are transported to the cell surface and activate CD4 plus T cells. On dendritic cells, a peptide which is taken into cells via endocytosis, phagocytosis, or autophagy can bind to MHC class 1 and activate CD8 plus T cells. Thank you for listening.